Y'all, I'm so excited. I was able to go and pick up my order from the post office from scrapbook.com. I ordered some of TaylorMade Journals releases from their website. And these are her bookmaker stamps. They're clear acrylic stamps. I'm going to be using some of these products on camera. This is her Aubon Marche stamps. These are French. These are very nice. I also got a few stencils. This is her lace fragment stencil. And then this is her lace crochet stencil. And then I also got the chipped paint paper pad. And I will share this now. I don't know what kind of deal they have going on right now over there. When I placed my order, because I'd never ordered from them before, they had a 15% off coupon for creating an account and placing your first order. And I also got this cutting mat for free in my first order. And I haven't actually taken this out of the package yet. It is seems to be a silicone rubberized mat, which is nice because that means that I can put this in my kitchen sink and wash it out if I paint. If I paint on it. So it's a 15 by 22. And like I said, it's a rubberized mat. So I will more than likely be using this when I'm doing some mixed media work, because the mat that I have now is only about a 12 by 12 mat. So this will be nice. I'm just going to flip through this. These are 8 by 8 inch papers. And they are double-sided. And I believe you get multiple of the same print. I believe, don't quote me. Let's see. Yes, because like these two are the same. These are so cool. Super excited. So I am going to use her stencils on my fairy journal, my fairy quotes journal that I've been working on. I have a sheet of paper here that I'm going to play with. And see what the two stencils that I was able to get look like. So this one, and these are 6 by 6. This is the lace fragment. And I'm just going to use some distress ink. And let's see how this turns out. Just kind of squishing and mushing the ink. I'm too lazy to tape off my stencils, guys, so it just is what it is. Oh, pretty. I like it. Okay, let's look at this one. This is the lace crochet stencil, also 6 by 6. They hold up well to the pushing too. They're not so flimsy that I feel like I'm gonna break them by pressing on them. So that's nice. I've bought several stencils that, as I was mushing the ink around, the pieces just broke off. And some of those stencils were relatively expensive too. So these are nice. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Super happy. I really like this one. Yep, I'll be using these in my fairy journal. Probably in the next video, because I'm getting very close to being ready to stitch in my signature and decorate the cover. Thanks for watching, y'all.